Here's the trick to the law of attraction. If you do this, you can manifest faster and you can manifest easier. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and here's a nice little trick that's gonna get you the money you want, or the job you want, or the house you want, or the soulmate you want, or whatever it is you're trying to manifest. It's gonna get it faster. So make sure you hit the like button on this video right over there, and let's dive right into this video. So you gotta think about the law of attraction in a totally different way for a minute. A lot of times people's problem is they use the law of attraction, but they go like this. Yeah, I'm working on manifesting some money. Yeah, I got my goals up there. I'm working on I'm manifesting my soulmate. That's my big goal for this year. Do you notice something with that? What you're really saying is, I do not have. I want is a confession that I am not. I want is a confession that I am not. I wish is a confession that I do not have. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's not real. It doesn't really know what you want. It just knows what you tell it. Your subconscious doesn't know what you want. It just knows what you tell it. And so people go, I'm really working on manifesting some money this year. I'm really working on manifesting a great job this year. I'm really working on manifesting my soulmate this year. I'm really working on manifesting health this year. Which is really saying, I don't have this thing that I want. And your subconscious doesn't know the difference between what you want and what you don't want. So it just continues to give you what you don't want. Now, what's happening there is you're looking to your outside environment to determine whether your manifestation is coming. You're looking to your outside world, you're looking to your physical senses to determine if what you want is coming or not. And when you do that, you're manifesting at the same level of consciousness as your present life circumstances. You have to be able to turn the volume down on the present circumstances of your life. And when you can turn the volume down on it, then you can start to live in your own inner world. So I realized that was my biggest problem. I was 19 years old, I dropped out of college, I backpacked around the world, and I wrote this self-published book. No one would publish it. All the publishers were telling me no, all the agents were telling me no, and a lot of people were trying to talk me out of doing it because it's probably not gonna work, Jake. And so I realized there was really loud volume on my outside environment. But if I allowed my thoughts, my emotions, and my feelings to be controlled by my outside environment, I would continue to recreate the same lack. I would be wanting my success, I would be wishing for my success, I would be working on manifesting my success. But remember, I want is a confession that I am not. I wish is a confession that I do not have. So what I did is I recreated my entire environment. So I made an epic vision board, but I didn't just use the vision board to have a piece of paper on my wall. I would sit there with my chair right in front of the vision board, and I would go to one image after another, and I would practice feeling as if it already happened. I would practice feeling grateful that it had already happened. Then I took in index cards, I took 8x11 pieces of paper, and I wrote on them, I'm so happy and grateful I'm a world famous thought leader, author, and online personality, making millions of dollars and inspiring millions of people. And I took hundreds of these. I put them all over my wall. Basically I made new wallpaper. And instead of my present wallpaper, it became that statement. I'm so happy and grateful I'm a world famous thought leader, author, online personality, making millions of dollars and inspiring millions of people. I put it everywhere. I put it on my mirror. I put it when I would walk into the shower. I put it everywhere, right when I open my eyes in the morning. Do you notice what I'm doing here? I created my own environment. So what I encourage you to do is ask yourself, how can you create your own environment as subconscious prompts, right? So I took the 3x5 card and I would tape it on my dashboard in my car. So when I'd get in my car, it was a subconscious impression I was always giving. When I'd get out of my car, it would be a reminder to say, I'm so happy and grateful that I'm a world famous thought leader, on-camera personality and author, making millions of dollars and inspiring millions of people. I created my environment to match my inner world. But most people's problem is they have an ideal inner world, but their outside environment doesn't match it, and then their emotions and their thoughts get controlled by their outside environment rather than their inner one. When you start to recreate your outside environment, use your room as a manifestation tool. Use your bedroom as a manifestation tool. Now, when you start to do that, what is actually happening is you are starting to use subliminal messaging to reprogram your subconscious. And guess what else? You're starting to create your own feelings, your own emotions. When you start to get excited, like I knew I was on the right track when after, a couple days, a couple weeks of doing all that, I would wake up in the morning so excited. Like, I didn't wake up in the morning being like, I'm really hoping something great comes today. I woke up feeling like it already happened. And when that occurs, the brain thinks you've tricked your brain, you've tricked your subconscious. You've tricked it to think it's already happened. That's why this video is called The Trick of the Law of Attraction, because you've tricked it. And all of a sudden, the law of attraction says like energy attracts like energy. So you've changed your energy. All of a sudden, you start attracting all these epic things into your life very quick and very easy. But what most people do is they keep waking up to the same environment and the same life that they don't want anymore. And then they say they're trying to use the law of attraction to change it. I tried affirmations, I tried visualizing, I've tried meditating, I've tried doing all these things. But they're living at their present circumstances. And if you do that, you're going to continue to recreate the same circumstances you don't want anymore. So comment down below, change your energy, change your life. Comment that down below, change your energy, change your life. Comment that down below, change your energy, change your life. And ask yourself, how can I change the energy in my room? How can I change the energy in my car? How can I change the energy in my house? How can I change the energy so when I wake up, I feel like I already have what I want? How can I change my energy to constantly be sending new messages to my subconscious? Remember, I wish is a declaration that I am not. I hope I'm working on is a declaration that I do not have. It all begins with the simple phrase, I am. Start to use that phrase constructively to recreate your inner world. And when you can create your inner world and feel as if it's real, your outer world will match that. That's the law of attraction. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. I'm really excited for you to start to recreate your environment and your energy around you to send new subconscious messages to yourself. Make sure you hit the like button on this video right over there. The like button is what sends us out into the YouTube universe, so make sure you hit the good old like button on the side right over there. And then right there down below is the second mind. I actually created basically a software, a technology for myself to reprogram my brain, because when I learned all this, I realized, okay, my brain has memorized all these limiting beliefs and all these limiting realities. And if I want to be super successful, I want to have tons of happiness, I want to attract my soulmate, I want all these things, I got to program my brain to it. So I started calling my limited mind, the one that was programmed by society, I started calling that my first mind. Think about it. You're programmed to not have money. You're programmed to not attract your soulmate. We're programmed to not be very confident. That's the first mind. Most people are stuck in their first minds their whole lives, and that's why they don't get the life that they want. The second mind is the one you've programmed. You've consciously programmed it, and then it becomes a magnet to give you everything you want in life. So right there down below, you can actually use this technology I made for myself originally to start to make your brain a magnet for what you want, to get out of your first mind, press delete on all the limiting beliefs, and start to live from your second mind. It's right there down below, and you can demo it for free. It's pinned to the comments right there down below. It's thesecondmind.com right there down below. That's thesecondmind.com right there down below. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos, so even if you're already subscribed, just double check. Have you actually hit the bell notification? It's right over there on the side. Hey, today's gonna be an absolutely fantastic day. It is a beautiful day to be alive on planet Earth, a little tiny rock spinning through endless space. You are a divine being, you are worthy of what you want. Go like this, just for like 3 seconds before the video ends, go like this. See, when you smile for no reason, you remember something really powerful. You remember that you are the creator of your own life. So have an absolutely great day, go like this, and then share that smile with somebody else.